Welcome to this lesson on horizontal lines. Specifically, we are going to look at the equation form y equals k. This is a fundamental concept in algebra that describes lines parallel to the x-axis. First, let's define what a horizontal line actually is. It is a straight line that runs purely left and right. It never tilts up or down. If you look at it, it maintains a constant height all the way across, much like the horizon you see at the beach. Let's plot some points on a graph to see a pattern. Here we have point A at -4, 3, point B at 0, 3, and point C at 5, 3. Take a close look at the numbers. Did you notice the pattern? The y-coordinate is always 3. It does not matter what the x value is, the height remains constant. Because y is always equal to 3, we simply write the equation as y equals 3. This brings us to the general equation for all horizontal lines. Y equals k in this formula. K represents any constant number. It tells you exactly where the line sits on the y-axis. Here we can see how changing the value of k moves the line. If y equals 4, the line sits 4 units above the center. If y equals -3, the line sits 3 units below the center. It is that simple. A key property of horizontal lines is that they are always parallel to the x-axis. This means the distance between your line and the x-axis never changes. They will never touch or cross each other. What about the slope? Remember that slope is rise over run. Since a horizontal line is perfectly flat, it has 0 rise. 0 divided by any run is still 0. Therefore, the slope of any horizontal line is always 0. There is one special case you should know. The x-axis itself is a horizontal line. Since it sits at a height of 0, its equation is simply y equals 0. To help you remember, just think of the word horizon. Horizontal lines are like the horizon where the sky meets the ocean, flat, level, and stretching side to side. Let's recap what we have learned. Horizontal lines always have the equation y equals k. Their slope is always 0. They are parallel to the x-axis, and the x-axis itself is the line y equals 0. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.